No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to show you in this video on how I quickly um, clean my camera lens using four simple items. Okay, so let me get started and get right into it. So I'm using a rocket blower to blow the dust first before using the other items. Then I have a lens pen. So this is a soft brush at one end and another tip on the other side with a carbon fiber to remove the smudges. Then I have a lens cleaner. This is a fluid specifically for lens, and of course a microfiber cloth. Okay, so first of all, why do we need these cleaning solutions? Okay, no matter how you take care of your lens, your expensive lens, as time goes by, it would accumulate dust and smudges, fingerprints, and although it's not recommended to clean it daily because you might do more harm than good, but when you inspect your lens and you find that it's dirty, full of smudges or fingerprints, that's the time that you have to clean it, maintain, so you could protect your lens. So yeah, I've mentioned all the items that I'm using. So it's very simple, nothing sophisticated. Okay, so I have here a UV filter, but it's same goes how I apply it in my camera lens. So first of all, before wiping it with the cloth or using a brush, I start first with the rocket blower to remove the dust first as quickly as possible. Okay, so make sure that the dust are off, because when you wipe it with a cloth or anything, when there is a dust, it would just simply scratch the lens. Okay, so make sure that the dust are removed. Once done, that's the time that I'm going to make use of the soft brush on the lens pen. There you go. So you have to quickly inspect and ensure that the lens are free from dust. You can make use of a light so you could check if there are more smudges or fingerprints, and if there is, you have an option to make use of the carbon, the other tip, to remove the smudges. Okay, and make sure to put it back again. Now, after using this brush and the air blower, we can make use of the lens cleaner solution. So it's very important not to use water because it would damage your lens. Okay, make use of a lens fluid specifically for camera lens. Okay, so I'm using this lens bright, right? So do not apply on the lens camera lens itself. Don't apply directly, but instead apply with a very small amount on the microfiber cloth, and in a circular motion, not just on one side. You can wipe the lens just like this, and here. Make sure that it's not too tight, and make it in a circular motion. So basically that's it. From time to time, you really have to clean your lens And these are just very a simple solution. I'm not very too technical in cleaning a camera lens. I'm not an expert, but these are the four simple materials that I use to clean my lens: a blower, a soft brush, a microfiber cloth, and a lens cleaner fluid. So basically, that's it. That's how I clean my lens. Let me know down your suggestions on the comment section below, and let us know how you clean your camera lens and which items you use to clean it. See you again.